discuss you right now. No? Okay.
Yes.
When we need, I will share my data with you. We need a WhatsApp group, 15 and 15, so 30 euros for the lunches. For the breakfast today, we will visit a family business, let's say, and they have some good stuff there. There is a
Start na ng tour namin. Dito na kami sa sasakyan. Pick up kami around 4:45. And then, pinikap kami ng bus. Then, nilipat kami dito sa isang sasakyan pa going to Cappadocia. So, 5:30 na lang umaga. And, ang first stop namin para mag-breakfast mamaya. Grabe, 3 hours na ito. Nandito na kami sa first stop namin for breakfast and toilet break. Sabi yan, lamig.
cheese, honey, or potatoes.
Mga may usok tayo bro. So, ito yung breakfast namin worth 4 euros. May kasama pa yung tea. Ano ito honey? Tapos may strawberry jam. Harap. Tapos meron din Turkish tea. So try naman natin yung kanilang cheese. Sarap. Grabe naman. So tapos na kami mag-breakfast and we're going to the toilet.
Ano na ginagawa mo natin kaso nakita natin na natutulog.
Yeah. Oo nga. May mga flags dito at may Philippines. Ayan. Ito yung sinasakyan namin. Ito na yung second stop na. It's around 10 o'clock. So magto-toilet break muna kami dito sa bar. Ay, sorry. Kaya masarap bilhin. Since meron tayong 15-minute na break. Do you have lip? So yun, grabe napakalamig. Mga 3 degrees dito sa Turkey ngayon. Na-expect na ganito kalamig dito. Kasi wala kami nagdala ng jacket. Pero yung kasama ko, naka-short shirt. Pero hindi tinatanggal nito. So finally, mag-start na yung tour namin. Actually, 1 o'clock na. Hindi pa kami nagda-lunch. Ay, ganda. Ah, look at the view. So, underground city daw. Pero nasa taas. So, ano to? Parang cave.
We will pass a tunnel now, and the tunnel is a narrow tunnel. There is a reason for that. It's the defense mechanism of this city. As we walk down to the city, on your right side you will see a space which is like vertical and thin, and another space, it's a little wide space where a person can get into the blank area. The first thin and long one is for the stone door for the city. When enemies are trying to get into the city, they were rolling a stone to block the entrance of the city. So, follow me please, and we will get into the city. Nobody.
Mabis of na late. Gago. Wala pababa. Oh my god. Buti na sa... Buti na lang boy, nasa likod kita. Mapukuhaan mo ako ng backshot. Kaya nga. Wow.
Alright, dear guests, as we enter to the city, what we're seeing first is the stone door on this side. They were rolling that stone in that space to block the entrance to the city. Even the enemies can pass from the door. Imagine, the army of the enemy is charging towards you one by one from here. So it's easy to defeat them and defend this city. Because imagine, 10 of us, they are throwing them into the city. When the city first, not the bodies, but the bones. They forget it. Probably. Storage unit for their dry foods. So, you can enter there.
So, ano pang meron? Ay. Parang meron pa dun sa baba.
After the graveyard or the storage unit, on this side you are sitting here and they were pulling the water from here with the buckets. Right there you are seeing the toilet of the city, and they have toilets in every floor into the city. And you can visit the toilets as well, but don't use them. Okay. There is one more air ventilation shaft in the city, which is located at the 3rd floor. Why they built 2 air ventilation shafts? This is enough, but if the enemy discovers the shaft and if they try to poison the city by pouring some bad stuff from here, there is a backup one. That the entrance of that one is somewhere else. It's hard to find them. Don't touch the bats, okay? On the ceilings there will be bats sleeping, so don't touch them.
Kailangan mong yumuko para makapasok ka. Oh, what's in there? Oh my God. Oh. Oh.
Grabe, boy. Papunta na ng ano.
Kailangan mo yumuko.
Masakit sa likod.
Diyos ko, Lord.
Actually, yung spot na yun ako kanina.
Hindi kasi pang... Parang mahirap yung pababa, no? Dito na lang. So, yan. Pabalik na kami ng ground floor. Diyos ko, sakit sa likod. Ayoko na. Tadal. So, dito kami sa restaurant kasi kami kakain. Ito ng bahagya, nasa 11 degrees. Sagasaan pa ako. So, gutom na ako. Ay, kakain. Galing, no? Sa ilalim ng cave. Ang daming tao. Wow. Ba? Ano to? Yan ang cute.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you need any help, tell them to...
So para kami nga-attend ng conference dito pero kakain na kami din. Galing. Lentil to boy, masarap. So, yun, lunch na kami. Daming tao. So, yung unang sinerve nila is lentil soup na masarap. Lentil soup. Then, with bread. Ito ba nga, no? Sanitizer. Ay! Sorry! Akala ko sa... Sorry! Tenge! Thank you, sorry. Akala ko sa kanya. Sarap. And that's what? Beans. Wow. Then, ito yung salad. Gusto ko may bread. Yung bread ang dami. Ito kaya ito yun. So, tikman muna natin itong beans. Sarap ng beans mo. Then, titikman din natin yung salad. So, yung salad naman nila yung normal na salad.
Pero, there's some bakit kasi parang wala na ata.
Oo, magpapa-apple eh. Kasi apple. Akala ko nga may apple. Oo nga. Baka dyan niluto. Dyan talaga. kaya ito? So, tikman na natin. Para siyang beef, ha? Beef ba? Ang lambot. Sarap. Yung potato. Ay, may rice pa pala. May rice na kasama. Parang powder. Kain na tayo. Parang powder na rice. Parang siyang nilagang baka. Na may rice. Sarap. Lambot ng beef. Sana maraming rice. Nagbigay sila ng dessert. Baklava. Pero wala pa na dito.
Remember, I told us we're supposed to stop by a small family business. We never did. We're natutulog lang ako. Di ba natin mentioned like morning, on our way, we'll be stopping by a small family business.
Yan toilet nila, boy. Ano pa?
Pinilit ko man.
Ayun. Take out. Tapos na ako mag-lunch. Toilet na. Ay, busog. Ayun, ito kami galing. Nice. Yan, ito yung restaurant. Nakalainan namin. So, nandito na kami sa Love Valley for, ay, grabe, ganda dun. 25 minutes. Boy, ganda dun, ha? Wow, ang daming dang. Boy, may camel. Camel. Ang cute, wow, ang cute.
Yung video ko kita. Oo nga, video mo. Wala ka pang video.
So nag-stop lang kami dito para mag-withdraw. So meron naman silang euros, dollars dito. So sabi nung tour guide namin, huwag ka mag-withdraw dito sa yellow kasi nga kinakain daw yung card. So the rest, pwede kang mag-withdraw dyan.
coffee with Turkish Delight to see if our guest is hungry or not, actually. And imagine, I'm the house owner and I'm welcoming you in my home. And I'm serving you Turkish coffee with Turkish Delight. If you eat the Turkish Delight first, that means that you are hungry, so I start preparing food for you. If you drink the coffee first, that means you are not hungry, so I can sit with you and I can enjoy the Turkish coffee with you. And the thing is, the guest that comes to my house, they already know what they are doing. So if they are hungry, they are eating the Turkish Delight first. That's that type of tradition that we still have today.
So next stop na kami in Turkish Delight for 30 minutes. Turkish coffee drink pa. Ito. Ay, ito pa. Hindi mga ano nga yan. Turkish Delight. Oo sila. Ito yung perfume nila. Ano yan? What's that? Wow. Salt? Bu kadar değil mi?
Bu kadar.
Bu da coffee breaks.
Ne içersiniz hocam?
Ben bir tane limon sulu alayım.
And this one special. Sultan Delight. Without sugar, with honey, you can keep it 6 months without fridge. And that's this, please. Can you come here, please?
What's that?
With hazelnut.
Oh yeah.
This is statue. Yes, you can. Buyurun abi. Buyurun, oradan alabilirsiniz.
Ne yaptı?
Kind of traditional Turkish delight, Cezeri. This is carrot hazelnut, this is pineapple polvo.
Okay na ako dito. Ito masarap.
It's up to you which one you can try. This. This is the last three. There. Turkish delight. This.
Antik şarap satıyor musunuz siz?
What's that?
Şarap var mı sizin?
Şarap yok. Aşağıda var. This. And sesame paste, Turkish helva. We have 3 types: with vanilla, with chocolate, and with pistachio. Excuse me, can you try?
Tatay.
And this one, crystal menthol.
Sarap nito.
When you put the hot water, start to wait.
It's not gonna irritate the eyes.
Yes, we have the company for all close packets.
I mean, boy, may pa-coffee sila.
About 40 moments, please, and come back.
Can I have half and then half of that?
Yes.
Magkano daw?
What is this? This is a chocolate. It's not I want some. Do you want to try first?
Sarap, boy.
Okay.
Not bad. So, nabudol ako dun, guys. Kala nila mayaman ako. Nagbilan ako ng oil. Pero mabango siya. Good for sinus daw. Ano ba ba? Headache. Try natin. Wow, look at this. Ang ganda. Dito na kami sa next stop after namin dun sa Turkish Delight. Ito daw yung church na hindi man-made, parang mountain-made. Hindi mo pa nagagawa yun. Ano yun? Grabe, ang ganda. Smile. So, nandito na kami sa last last stop for today, yung Pigeons Valley. Hello? Bangin na pala. Ganda. Dito na kami, magdi-dinner na kami. So yung oras na is 6:30. Hindi pa rin kami nag-check-in. Siguro after dinner, tsaka pa lang kami mag-check-in. So ito, pupuntahan na namin yung restaurant na kung saan kami kakain. So grabe, nakakapagod tong tour na to since 4 o'clock gising na, or 3 o'clock gising na kami. Ito?
Dito lang tayo kakain. Full book na kasi.
So merong buffet dinner for tonight.
Uy, okay.
Itong sarap yan, boy. Oh. Chicken, pasta, and then rice. And then ito yung kanina naming nilunch. Sarap. Daming food. Hello! Okay. So, yan ang dinner. Ang ating favorite na lentil soup. Essential at haggard na tayo. Kumain lang kami dito. Originally, dito dapat kami nakabook. Pero, fully booked na daw sila. Kaya ililipat kami ng ibang hotel. Pero maganda pa rin naman yung paglilipatan namin. So, ngayon ay 7 o'clock. And hindi pa rin kami nag-check-in. Kasi tinatapos mo na yung tour bago mag-check-in. Ayan, ito yung view. Malamig. Malamig ngayon. Ayan yung temperature. 8 degrees. Pero ibang level yung... Ay, andito na kami. Check-in. Ay, pusa. Si Garfield. No. Ganda. Yan na. Finally makakapag-check-in na kami. So ito yung room. Double bed lang siya. Ito yung toilet. Ito yung toilet. Wow. Sobrang old style. May TV maliit.